The trading floor roars, a symphony of shouts and clicks beneath a wall of screens. Numbers and graphs dance wildly, reflecting in the focused gaze of a lone trader. Adjusting the headset, the trader becomes one with the frenetic energy of the market. Eyes glued to the screens, absorbing every flicker, every shift in the digital tide. A sea of information washes over the trader, each data point a potential fortune or ruin. In this high-stakes arena, focus is the only weapon against the relentless chaos. A trader's screen blazes with a frenetic ballet of green and red numbers, each a pulse in the financial heart. Breaking news flashes urgently. Tech giant faces antitrust probe, sending shockwaves through the digital ticker. The market reacts, numbers convulsing wildly as fortunes teeter on the edge of uncertainty. Each fluctuation tells a story of risk and reward, fear and opportunity in the high-stakes game. Amidst the frenetic energy of the trading floor, a lone figure leans in, his focus absolute, fingers dancing across the keyboard. The screen flares with the chaotic ballet of numbers, an order book pulsing with the raw lifeblood of the market. Buy and sell orders flicker like stars, each a tiny spark in the vast, churning cosmos of finance. His eyes dart across the data, absorbing the volatile information, making split-second decisions that could change everything. The air crackles with anticipation, a symphony of subtle sounds that only he can hear, guiding his every move. A trader's hands fly across the keyboard, each keystroke a calculated risk. Ticker symbols flash as he bets against the breaking news, seizing opportunity. He buys 1,000 shares, his gamble a dance on the edge of chaos. The trader executes, a silent explosion in the digital marketplace. His eyes reflect the volatile market, a mixture of greed and cold calculation. Amidst the chaos of the trading floor, a lone figure watches, his face an inscrutable mask. His eyes are glued to the screen, absorbing every flicker of data, every surge of activity. The numbers blur into a frenzy as the trading volume spikes, signaling a market gone wild. Each transaction echoes like a tremor, shaking the foundations of fortune. In the heart of the storm, he remains an island of calm, a silent observer of the unfolding drama. Beads of sweat glisten on the trader's brow, reflecting the harsh daylight. His eyes, wide and darting, betray a mind racing with calculations. Each glance flickers between columns of numbers, a silent risk assessment. The weight of potential profit and catastrophic loss hangs heavy. A subtle twitch in his jaw hints at the immense pressure he's under. His focused intensity is a mask concealing the volatile emotions beneath. Inside the frenetic trading floor, time seems to warp as everyone watches the screens, a tense quiet filling the air. The price begins its descent, a silent, deadly drop that sends ripples of unease through the traders. Panic flares as the numbers plummet, each tick of the clock amplifying the impending sense of disaster. The floor erupts in chaos as the price plunges. Traders shout and scramble, a storm of financial ruin unleashed. Adrenaline surges through him, a potent mix of fear and exhilaration as he confronts the market's brutal reality. Close up, the stock price plummets, a digital avalanche erasing fortunes in seconds. The screen flashes red, an ominous warning of financial ruin. A cascade of sell orders triggers, each transaction a nail in the coffin. Panic floods the market as fortunes vanish with each tick of the failing stock. On the chaotic trading floor, a lone figure stands firm amidst the storm, his focus absolute. With calculated precision, he sets a stop-loss order, a fragile shield against impending financial disaster. Each keystroke is deliberate, a silent testament to his unwavering resolve. The screen glows, reflecting the gravity of his actions in his focused gaze. A tense calm settles as he watches, the fate of fortunes hanging in the balance. In this high-stakes game, control is an illusion, and survival the only victory. Inside the trader's office, fingers fly across the keyboard, each tap a calculated risk. Stop-loss parameters are set with practiced ease, a delicate dance of digital strategy. Each keystroke weaves a safety net, protecting against the market's unpredictable storm. The screen glows, reflecting the intense focus required to navigate the financial currents. The trading floor pulsates with frenetic energy, a hive of activity under the harsh glare of countless screens. Charts and numbers flicker across multiple screens, painting a volatile landscape of risk and reward. The price bounces erratically, a visual representation of the high-stakes game being played. I watch intently, my heart pounding in my chest as the market teeters on a knife's edge. The price movement triggers my sell order, a decisive moment in the chaotic dance. I quickly exit the position, securing a small profit amidst the relentless storm of the trading floor. The trader's screen glows, a silent testament to a day's toil. Numbers flash, green against the dark, marking a successful transaction. A small profit registers, a minor victory in a relentless market. The screen displays confirmation, a fleeting moment of triumph. The trading floor erupts in a frenzy as fortunes shift with each tick. The market lurches, a sudden drop validating a high-stakes decision. He leans back, the weight of the world momentarily lifted from his shoulders. A fleeting moment of relief washes over him amidst the relentless chaos. A trader's face, glistening with sweat under the harsh sun, reveals a mix of exhaustion and determination. He wipes his brow, a brief respite from the relentless pressure. The lines etched around his eyes tell tales of countless deals and hard-won battles. A flicker of a smile plays on his lips, hinting at a hidden confidence or a secret victory. That fleeting smile vanishes as quickly as it appears, replaced by a mask of shrewd calculation. He steps onto the trading floor, a vast expanse buzzing with energy and bathed in the cool glow of countless screens. A sea of faces, each illuminated by the flickering light, reflects the intensity of high-stakes trading. The air vibrates with a low, constant hum of voices and data, a symphony of ambition and risk. The relentless activity continues, a human tide surging and receding with every market fluctuation. The trader's eyes, intense and sharp, scan the vibrant screens. Numbers and charts flicker rapidly, a symphony of potential gains and losses. His gaze darts, searching for the slightest advantage in the market's dance. A subtle hum of anticipation vibrates beneath his skin. The thrill of the trade, a potent and almost tangible force, fills the air. Amidst the frenetic energy of the trading floor, a trader adjusts his headset, his face a mask of intense focus. Screens flicker with a dizzying array of numbers, each a potential fortune or ruin. He takes a deep breath, steeling himself for the final hours of the trading day. The weight of the market rests on his shoulders, a silent burden he carries with grim determination. His eyes dart across the screens, searching for an edge, a glimmer of opportunity amidst the chaos. A trader's screen flickers with a rapid cascade of breaking headlines, each a gateway to fortune or ruin. Each line of text pulses with urgency, painting a vivid picture of a market on the brink. The screen reflects in unseen eyes, promising opportunity amidst underlying risk. Brief moments flash across the screen, showing numbers and graphs. Each headline is a chance to gain money or lose everything. Inside a bustling trading floor, I inhale deeply, steeling myself for the next trade. Screens flash with numbers, a symphony of risk and opportunity. My focus narrows, the adrenaline coursing as I analyze the market's pulse. Each transaction is a calculated move, a step in a high-stakes game. The air crackles with tension, a silent promise that the game is far from over. In the trader's office, intensity hangs thick as his fingers twitch, poised above the keyboard. Each keystroke could mean fortune or ruin. He is ready to execute the next move. The office is still. The light of the monitor illuminates his face. The trading floor buzzes with frenetic energy, a hive of activity under the bright, unforgiving lights. A quick glance at the clock. Each tick echoes the relentless pressure of profit and loss. Sweat glistens on foreheads, every trader acutely aware that time is indeed money. The air vibrates with shouted orders and the staccato rhythm of keyboards. Screens flicker, displaying a chaotic dance of numbers, each fluctuation a potential fortune. Nerves are stretched taut in this high-stakes arena, where fortunes can shift in a heartbeat. A trader's face fills the frame, etched with the harsh lines of exhaustion and unyielding determination. Every muscle strains against the invisible weight of relentless pressure. His eyes, though weary, burn with a fierce intensity. The weight of survival is etched into every pore. A silent battle rages behind his weathered features. He is a warrior, fighting his daily war with stoic resolve. The trading floor roars to life, a symphony of ringing phones and frantic shouts echoing through the vast space. A trader erupts in triumph, leaping from his chair, his fist raised in a gesture of victory. His face is plastered with a triumphant grin, a stark contrast to the tension etched on others. Nearby, another trader sits hunched and defeated, sweat beading on his ashen forehead. Fortunes are won and lost in the blink of an eye on this chaotic battlefield. The trading floor is a microcosm of raw human emotion. Numbers blur on the trader's screen, an incessant ballet of risk and reward. Fluctuating figures paint a portrait of the market's relentless pulse. Each tick of the data represents fortunes won and lost in the blink of an eye. The screen reflects a world where fortunes shift with every fleeting moment. The relentless stream of numbers never ceases, a constant, chaotic symphony, a digital maelstrom of potential profit and devastating loss. Amidst the bustling trading floor, he refocuses on the screen, his face a mask of concentration against the chaotic backdrop. He steels himself, ready to confront the volatile market. The numbers flicker, a digital battlefield where fortunes rise and fall with every tick. The game continues, a relentless dance of risk and reward.